How to change country on Wise. In this tutorial, I'll show you the steps to update your personal details after moving to a new country. First, open your web browser and go to the official Wise website. Sign into your Wise account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Personal Details. Look for your personal information or residential information, and click for address information if the option is available. Enter your new residential address, and make sure all the information is correct. Depending on your situation, Wise may ask you to provide proof of your new address, such as a utility bill, rental agreement, or government-issued document. Upload the requested document and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Keep in mind that simply changing your address may not immediately change the country or residency associated with your Wise account. Wise may need to review your information and may have different requirements depending on the countries involved. Once you've submitted the changes, wait for Wise to complete the verification. And that's it. That's how you can update your country or residential address on Wise after moving to a new country. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Wise and online banking tutorials.